Before you go to bed tonight, there is a simple 2-minute drink that may help support your arteries while you sleep, and most seniors have never been told about it. Your doctor may have said your cholesterol is too high. Maybe they mentioned a statin. Maybe you are already taking one and wondering whether food can still help. A 69-year-old man in South Carolina named Harold dropped his LDL cholesterol 26 points in 90 days without starting medication. His doctor told him to keep going. Tonight, I am going to show you the exact evening drink he used, step by step, with ingredients you can buy at Walmart, Kroger, Costco, or Aldi. No fancy health store, no $100 supplements. And here is what most videos skip. The timing matters. This works best after dinner, not at breakfast. In a few minutes, I will explain why. But first, let me tell you Harold's story, because it is the reason I made this video. Harold was not sick. He felt fine. He still mowed his own lawn. But at his Medicare wellness visit, his LDL, the type of cholesterol doctors watch most closely for heart risk, came back at 168. His doctor said, "We should talk about medication." Harold panicked. His father died of a heart attack at 71. Harold was 69. He told me, "I do not want to be a walking pharmacy, but I also do not want to gamble with my heart." His doctor agreed to a 90-day lifestyle trial, better dinners, a short evening walk, and one warm drink Harold could actually stick to. I am sharing that exact drink with you today. One thing before we start, ingredient number 2 is the one most seniors skip, and it may be the most important. We will get there. Stay with me. Let me guess a few things about you. You watch what you eat. At least you try. You cut back on bacon after your last blood test. Maybe you switched to oatmeal for breakfast. And your cholesterol still did not move the way you hoped. Here is what most people will not say out loud. It is not because you are failing. After 60, your liver often makes more cholesterol. Your body handles fats differently. Medications, thyroid issues, genetics, and decades of eating habits all play a role. This is not about guilt. This is about one small evening habit that may give your body extra support when it needs it most. If you are watching from Texas, Michigan, California, Florida, wherever you call home, this is built for real American seniors, not fitness influencers half your age. Quick question, type your age in the comments. 60s, 70s, 80s. I want to know who is in this community. Before we go further, I need to say this clearly. This video is for education only. It is not medical advice. High cholesterol and heart disease need professional care. Never stop or change cholesterol medicine without your doctor. Talk to your doctor before trying new drinks or supplements, especially if you take blood thinners, diabetes medicine, or kidney medicine. Now here is everything we are covering today. What your cholesterol numbers actually mean. In plain English, no medical lecture. Why an evening drink may help more than a morning supplement. The exact recipe, step by step, senior friendly. What to eat at dinner so the drink works harder. 3 mistakes that cancel out your progress. And Harold's 90-day results and what his doctor said at the follow-up visit. Grab a pen if you would like. I will also put the full recipe in the video description, along with a free printable heart evening checklist you can tape inside your kitchen cabinet. Let's start with what your cholesterol numbers actually mean, because once you understand this, the evening drink will make sense. When your doctor says high cholesterol, they are usually talking about LDL, low-density lipoprotein. Think of it as delivery trucks carrying cholesterol through your blood. Your body needs some cholesterol. It helps build cells and hormones. The problem starts when there are too many trucks for too long. Over years, some of that cholesterol can build up along artery walls, like sludge slowly narrowing a garden hose. Less room for blood flow, more strain on your heart. That is why doctors care. Not to scare you, but because heart disease remains the leading cause of death in the United States. And high LDL is a major risk factor your doctor tracks at every checkup. There is also HDL, often called the helpful cholesterol. It helps carry excess cholesterol back to the liver. And triglycerides, another blood fat linked to sweets, alcohol, and refined carbohydrates. You do not need to memorize all of this. Here is what matters. Lowering LDL and supporting healthy arteries is a long game, not one magic night, not one miracle cure. But research consistently shows that soluble fiber, certain healthy fats, and steady evening habits may help lower LDL, especially when combined with a sensible dinner. And that is exactly why this drink is an evening drink. I will explain that right now. Harold's cardiologist did not give him a long lecture. He said one sentence that stuck. Give your body better raw materials in the evening, not junk food on the couch at 10 o'clock. Now, that is a simple way to say it, but the idea behind it is solid. Overnight, your body shifts into repair and maintenance mode. Cholesterol processing is part of that picture. What you eat and drink in the evening still matters, especially the last meal of the day and what you reach for afterward. Soluble fiber, the kind in oats and flaxseed, forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system. That gel can bind to cholesterol in your gut and help carry it out of your body before it is fully absorbed. If you drink a fiber-rich beverage 30 to 60 minutes after a sensible dinner, you may reduce the cholesterol load from your last meal, support steadier overnight digestion, and replace the sugary snacks many seniors reach for while watching the evening news. Harold used to eat cookies at night. The warm cup replaced the cookies. It did not go on top of them. That is critical. Mistake number 1, which we will cover later, is drinking this and still eating dessert every night. The drink has 5 parts. Ingredient number 2, ground flaxseed, is the one most seniors skip. We are getting there now. I call it the Senior Heart Evening Drink. Harold's wife Doris calls it the warm cup. Either way, here is the full recipe. It makes 1 serving. You will need 1 cup of unsweetened oat milk, or plain water if you prefer, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, the juice from half a lemon, and optionally, 4 ounces of brewed green tea. Here is how to make it. It takes under 2 minutes. Step 1. Warm 1 cup of unsweetened oat milk in the microwave or a small pot. Not boiling. Warm it like tea. Step 2. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, not whole flax seeds. Your body cannot break those down well. Buy flax meal at the store or grind the seeds yourself. Step 3. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir well. Step 4. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. Stir again. Step 5. If you tolerate caffeine, you can mix in 4 ounces of brewed green tea that has cooled slightly. If caffeine keeps you awake at night, skip it or use decaf green tea. Step 6. Drink it slowly. Sip it over 10 to 15 minutes while sitting at the table. Do not gulp it down in bed. When should you drink it? 30 to 60 minutes after dinner. And one important note, if you take evening medication, ask your pharmacist about timing. Fiber can sometimes affect how medicines are absorbed. Now let me tell you why each ingredient is there. Ingredient 1. Oat milk. Oats are among the most studied foods for cholesterol. The soluble fiber called beta-glucan has been shown in clinical research to help lower LDL when eaten regularly as part of a diet low in saturated fat. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has even recognized this relationship in an authorized health claim for eligible oat products. 1 cup of warm oat milk is an easy, gentle way to get that fiber, especially for seniors who do not want a heavy meal at night. Ingredient 2. Ground flaxseed. This is the one seniors often skip because they do not know about it. Flax is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fats, which may support heart health. The fiber adds a second layer of benefit. Store flax in the fridge, it goes rancid on the shelf, and drink extra water through the day. Fiber needs water to work properly. Ingredient 3. Cinnamon. Not because it is magic, because it makes the drink taste like something you would actually want every night. Compliance beats perfection. A drink you hate will not lower anyone's cholesterol. Ingredient 4. Lemon. It brightens the flavor. It helps you skip added sugar, and replacing a sugary dessert with this drink is half the battle. Ingredient 5. Green tea, if you choose to add it. Some large population studies have linked regular green tea with better heart outcomes. It is not a cure, but as part of an evening wind-down ritual, replacing beer, wine, or soda, it may support your goals. Harold drank this 5 nights a week, not 7. He still had Saturday ice cream with his grandkids, but 5 nights was enough to move his numbers. I will tell you exactly what happened at his 90-day checkup soon. First, what you eat before the drink matters more than most people realize. The evening drink is not an eraser for a bad dinner. You cannot eat fried chicken, mashed potatoes with gravy, and pecan pie, then drink oat milk and expect miracles. Here are 3 dinner principles that made Harold's trial work. Principle 1. Half your plate should be vegetables. Broccoli, green beans, salad, roasted carrots. Frozen vegetables count. They are cheap and they work. Principle 2. Swap the fat. Do not fear all fat. Less fried food. Less processed red meat every night. More fish, salmon, sardines, tuna, even canned. More olive oil instead of butter on your vegetables. Principle 3. Choose smart starches. Sweet potato instead of white bread. Brown rice instead of white rice. Beans, kidney beans, black beans, lentils are among the best cholesterol-supporting foods at any American grocery store, and they are inexpensive. Harold's typical dinner during the trial was simple: baked chicken thigh, steamed broccoli with olive oil and garlic, half a cup of brown rice. Then, about 45 minutes later, the warm cup. Simple, not fancy, repeatable. That is the word that matters, repeatable. The best health plan in the world fails if you will not do it twice a week. Can I be honest with you for a moment? You do not need a perfect diet. You need a better normal. 1 better dinner, 1 evening drink, 5 nights a week. That is not deprivation. That is taking your heart seriously. I have seen seniors try natural cholesterol approaches and get frustrated. Usually it is because of one of these 3 mistakes. Mistake 1. Adding the drink on top of bad evening snacks. The drink replaces dessert. It does not supplement it. If you drink it and still eat cookies every night, you are adding calories and sugar your body does not need. Mistake 2. Stopping prescribed medicine without telling your doctor. This is the most important point in this entire video. Never stop a statin or any heart medicine because of a YouTube video. Harold did not. His doctor monitored him every step of the way. Natural support and medical care can work together, but only your doctor decides that. Mistake 3. Giving up after 2 weeks. Cholesterol changes slowly. Harold's doctor rechecked his labs at 90 days. Some seniors see movement at 6 weeks, some need longer. The seniors who win are the ones who stay boring and consistent. One bonus mistake: buying sugary oat drinks. Check the label. If your oat milk has added sugar, you are working against yourself. Buy unsweetened. Same goes for flavored flax products with hidden sweeteners. Now, what actually happened to Harold? His numbers surprised everyone, including him. After 90 days, Harold went back for blood work. His LDL dropped from 168 to 142. That is a 26-point reduction. His HDL, the helpful cholesterol, went up slightly. His triglycerides came down. His doctor said, "Keep going. We may not need medication yet." Was it only the drink? No. It was the drink plus better dinners, plus a 15-minute after-dinner walk with Doris, plus cutting back from 2 beers to 1 on weekends. But Harold told me the drink was the anchor habit, the thing that signaled to his brain, evening is heart health time now. I also need to be honest. Results vary. Harold responded well to lifestyle changes. Some people still need medication, and that is okay. Medicine saves lives. His doctor made clear that if Harold's numbers had not improved, they would have talked about a statin at the next visit. And supporting artery health does not happen overnight. It improves over months and years of consistent habits. What we are aiming for is not a miracle. It is progress you can measure at your next blood test. And progress at 69 means more years mowing your lawn, holding your grandkids, and driving yourself to church. Picture yourself 90 days from now. You walk into your doctor's office, maybe your Medicare annual visit. You sit down. You wait for the results. And this time, the number is better. Not perfect, better. Your doctor looks up and says, "Whatever you are doing, keep doing it." That future starts tonight. Not Monday, not New Year's, tonight. Let me bring it all together. LDL is the cholesterol doctors watch most for heart risk. Soluble fiber in oats and flax may help lower it when used consistently as part of a heart-healthy diet. The senior heart evening drink is warm, unsweetened oat milk, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, lemon juice, and optional green tea. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes after a sensible dinner. Replace dessert. Do not add it on top of junk food. Never stop medicine without your doctor. And give it 90 days, then recheck your labs. Here is your homework, and I mean it. Do this before you go to bed tonight. Comment below, "I am starting tonight," if you are going to try this. Tell me which ingredient you already have at home: oats, flax, cinnamon, or lemon. Download the free printable recipe and 90-day tracker in the video description. Tape it on your fridge. Doris did, and she said it made all the difference. If this video helped you or someone you love, please hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to more seniors who need plain, honest health information. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we are covering the morning protein habit that may help slow muscle loss after 60, because heart health and muscle strength go hand in hand. One last time, this is education, not medical advice. Work with your doctor. You are not in this alone. Thank you for trusting me with your health. Now go warm that cup. Your future self is counting on you.